Hi guys, you might have seen my previous videos where I'm working on this little toy, trying to get it working. Well, I've actually got it working, but I'm still waiting for some bits off eBay. In the meantime, I've got this one in my stock. It's actually radio controlled. Very basic radio control. Well, I'll show you. It's got drive wheels rather than caterpillar tracks, and it's got this little fella here. Okay, forwards, backwards, turns when it goes backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. So it's one of these one channel or two channel radio control. I say radio control because it is radio control at the moment, but I think when I bought it, it had infrared. I think there was a plastic dome in there for the infrared sensor, and I've converted it to radio control somewhere around. Oh, I've got the video for it. I'll put it in the video description if I find it. Drive wheels. The caterpillar tracks don't work, so it's drive wheels. There's obviously something in there that also makes this go up and down. Yeah, I'll have a look in my archives and find the conversion video and put it in the video description. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.